Today we're going to make the bhaji the traditional way. No coconut milk, no meat, just a lot of heat, lots of onion, and lots of garlic. Let's go! Ingredients: garlic, onion, hot pepper, sweet pepper, pimento, curry leaves, bandania. So you gotta use plenty onion, plenty garlic. I love a lot of heat, so we're going to add all of that to the pot with some butter, and we're going to saute all of that at once. I left that saute for about 2 minutes, and then I add the sweet pepper and the pimento peppers. Let that simmer a little bit, like the old people in Trinidad like to say, and then we add our leaves, and we're going to leave that to cook down on a very low heat. More explanation. So at this point, you want to have the fire very, very, very low. Okay. I'm going to let that sit and cook. I'm going to try not to use any water in this and let it cook in its own juices. And as it goes along, I will continue to flavor it. At this point, the only flavoring this has in it is the butter that we use to saute all of the aromatics. Yes, so let me leave this to cook down the bhaji, and when the bhaji has cooked down, I would come back. As I said, this is how low my stove is at the moment. I lower it down actually to the lowest point, and I'm going to let that simmer on a very low heat. Alright, I will be back. So you can see how much the bhaji has cooked down, how small it has gotten. You know, you don't really get much from a bundle of bhaji, especially the young leaves, and this is the young leaf. And once it's cooked down, I add a little extra salt. You know something, I also add an extra amount of pepper in this thing. Even though I use a whole pepper, cut up the whole pepper in this thing, I still add more pepper. But it was good. All I needed was some salt, and it was really good to go. This was how I cooked it with the coconut milk. Check out that video in the end screen, in the cards above. And all of the other videos that you're seeing on your screen right now, don't forget to check them out. Thanks for stopping by. Do have a good one. Stay blessed. Bye.